Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars Plasma Nucleon back protector inserts. Plasma. This is their latest crop of back protector inserts, and I got to tell you, these are pretty cool. That's why we're doing a video on it. Look at this. And this is just at room temperature. Moldable, flexible, massively ventilated, super comfortable, but most importantly, very protective. These are certified to CE level 2. This is the full. This is the standard. Same protector with simply more coverage. And we're going to focus on this a little bit. Not every jacket can take the full. All the most recent Alpinestars jackets can accept either the standard protector or the extended coverage full protector. How do you determine that, right? Take a look at your jacket. And inside, this is the all-new GP Plus RV4 Ride Knit leather jacket, right? Inside, you're going to have the back protector insert pocket. It's going to have 2 stages to it. The one closest to the rider is the shallowest of the 2. That would accept the standard. If you have a 2-stage pocket, like this one does, where there's another pocket behind, you can clearly see how much deeper that one is. Your jacket is able to accept the extended length or full coverage back insert. Okay, sizing for the back protector inserts. These are available in 3 different sizes. The size of your jacket is going to dictate which size protector that you need. We're going to read off the size chart that is in the listings right now. Leather jackets, size small protector. Women's Stella leather jackets, 36 to 38 euro. In textile jackets, the same size small, women's Stella jackets, extra small and small. The medium size protector, which we're showing you right here. Men's leather jackets, 44 to 50 euro. Women's Stella leather jackets, 40 to 50 euro. In textile jackets, the medium fits the men's extra small through medium and the women's Stella medium through triple X. The large size protector is going to fit men's leather jackets 52 through 64, and in textile jackets, men's jackets large through 4XL. If you're unsure if it's going to fit, you can always reach out to us. We'll work hard to get you the answer. Focusing again on this protector. It's got like another layer, like almost like a fabric kind of bonded to the plasma back protector material itself on the inside, and it's kind of raised all these little ribs plus the perforations. A couple of reasons for this. One is very clearly to help keep you cooler. You know, if you just add just a straight slab of this right up against your back, it's going to be hot, right? It's going to be uncomfortable. No doubt you're going to be sweating in that area. By adding the ribs, it helps pull the back protector off your back, right? So it's not just flat against it. And then, of course, by having all the perforations, it just allows for a very easy exchange of air and heat energy. It's going to keep you cooler and more comfortable. Focusing again on the comfort, the flexibility of this is next level. We tried these jackets on Max with these inserts in. They become invisible. You don't even know that it's there, and you're getting CE level 2 protection. These are a welcome addition to the Alpinestars' already very comprehensive armor catalog. And I got to tell you, these are probably, at this point, a top pick to add to any one of the Alpinestars jackets. It's available in the standard, which will fit all of the A-Stars jackets for the last several years. And then the full coverage, which fits the majority, right, of the new ones. Once again, if you're unsure, take a look at your jacket, or reach out to us and we'll help you determine whether or not the full is going to fit. All right, there you have it. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.